Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you this beautiful tungsten silver DB11 V8 Coupe. Now let's take a look around the car. So tungsten silver is a colour that has been in and around Aston Martin's colour palette for a long time, but the reason it's been so popular, it's clearly a beautiful Aston grey silver. And it's wonderful for showing the lines of the car. Hopefully you're picking that up as I just walk past it here and you can see the lights bounce off the surfaces. And of course, when you've got this wonderful two-tone theme with the black, which we'll talk about next, it really highlights it because you've got that contrast silver to black. So it works really well. Now this car has got the exterior black pack. So that gives you can probably just about make out the front grille there in black, and the lower splitter. It has these beautiful directional alloy wheels with the black inserts, and then behind those this car's specified with black brake calipers, so they go brilliantly. The black side strake, and then this fantastic two-tone effect with the roof. So we've got a full black roof panelling and finish with the mirrors. So it's almost as if the roof is hovering. I step back, really just accentuates the line of the car, and you can see this hip at the back. Fantastic looking car. Round to the rear, we've got smoked rear headlamps, which I think go brilliantly with tungsten silver. It's just a really smart, neat finish. Black lower diffuser and these black Zyrtec finished exhausts, which look really smart. Let's come round to the passenger side, and just picking out a few bits in this car, because this car has a lot of spec on it. Just something to mention, under the mirror there, you can probably see there is a camera. So there's cameras all around the car. So when you reverse park this vehicle, it gives you a bird's eye view, and that just makes it so easy to place it in a car park, or if you're parallel parking, it's really easy to avoid curbing the alloy wheels. Again, stunning car. Now, all Aston Martin DB11 come with 3 years unlimited mileage warranty, and they also come with 5 years servicing. Okay, let's have a look inside. So the interior colour on this vehicle is called Pure Black. Again, this sort of black dark theme starts at the roof lining, so it's got this beautiful leather headlining with the broguing all the way down the centre and celestial perforation, and that follows through into the seats. You'll notice black wing badges, quite subtle, but they look superb. So the patterning on this seat, along with Nexus quilting, is stunning. And then we have the gloss black trim around the doors and on the centre dashboard. And then the general cabin finisher pack is all in dark finisher as well, so that could be silver, included on the steering wheel. So yeah, looks really dark and moody in here, but it works so well. Other features of the car, well, first of all, it's got heated seats, and they have electric lumbar support and full electric memory. Digital touchpad in the centre, and this really superb central storage. This has the Aston Martin premium audio sound system, and of course everything's electric, even the steering wheel electrically adjusts. So the seats in these cars are so comfortable, and you can get exactly the right driving position, particularly with the wheel having so much adjustment too. Now I'm just moving the electric seat forward to the point where your knees would be close to the dash, and the reason for that is there is some space in the rear. Now it's easier to get somebody behind the front passenger seat than it is the driver, depending on the height of the driver, but as an adult I've travelled in the back behind another adult in a DB11. I wouldn't want to go to the south of France in the back of one, but actually to go out to a restaurant or something like that, a short journey, it does the job well. So there we go. There's the interior, beautifully appointed. Let's have a look at the boot. So, good sized boot on DB11. We do obviously have the option of loading soft luggage behind the rear seats. If you're not using those seats, you can put plenty on top of them. But actually, you can get 4 aeroplane carry-on cases on their side across here, or you can get a couple of sets of golf clubs. So, yeah, we never have any complaints about the boot space of DB11. It is very good for a sporty GT. And soft close there, as you'll see, so it just sucks it in. Another nice feature about DB11 is at the other end, its bonnet is soft close as well, which is just a lovely thing. I hate slamming bonnets, so to be able to just touch it down and it sucks itself in is really neat. But there we go. So that finishes our tour of this beautiful tungsten silver DB11. Thank you for watching.